Hello everybody. In this video, we'll explore a new function in the quick analysis tools available in the Analysis Toolkit module of the Creaform Integrity Suite. It's labeled Ovality. For this tool, we do have the option to let the software automatically detect the alignment of the pipe, or in this case, since we have a fractured pipe, I'll opt for a specific selection on the mesh to which the cross-sections will be aligned. Let's go ahead and select Through, so that we capture the backside of the pipe. Next, we're ready to click on the Ovality function in the top toolbar. A cross-section will be automatically generated based on the centroid and orientation of the selection. If we wish, we have the option to generate multiple cross-sections at once, offset them, or increase the overall count. This can save us time if we have several cross-sections to create at once. Now that that's done, the software will jump to the 2D view of the first cross-section. We're ready to anchor our calipers now to measure the ovality of this cross-section. To do so, click once on each opposing side of the circular profile, then click OK. It's possible as well to change the size of the caliper endpoints in the Point Parameters box. I'll anchor a second pair of calipers with a perpendicular orientation to the first. You can also reposition the measurement annotations for better readability. Going back to the 3D view, we can see exactly where our measurements line up relative to the rest of the pipe. That's it for this video. Thanks for tuning in. If you'd like to see more tutorials, check out the other videos on our channel.